Hello, what is your name?
My name is Rilda Alvarez.
How old are you?
33 years old.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Single mother.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
One.
How old?
13 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
9 days.
Do you have any work experience in
Yes,
other
ma'am.
countries? Where?
Philippines.
How many years?
2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
9 days.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
Yao Mate.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
400 square feet.
How many family member there?
3.
How many children?
2.
How old are they?
8 years old and 8 months baby.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 6:30 a.m. in the morning, preparing my their son's food and accompany their son in a bus, school bus, and then I'll fix all the things in their all the things and the mess in their house,
Okay.
and playing with the baby after I clean the house.
Okay, so how about dinner? Do you cook?
Dinner, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what time they eat?
9 p.m.
9 p.m. Okay, so what time you go to bed?
12
12
p.m.
o'clock. Okay, thank you so much.